the giant penguin, starring Bio the penguin. Heyo. Yay. I'm gonna hunt that giant penguin because it is more valuable than a blue whale. Hey, do you know that you're the tiny one and I'm just a Payat? Yeah, so what? Payatsets are bigger than than toy soldiers. So that means you're tiny and I'm normal size. No, you're not. No damage. Hey, where are you going? Haha, Mitch. You Mitch. Ha ha ha. You think you're an angry bird. No, I didn't. Wait, what? Ow. That hurt. Ow, that hurt. Why do you keep doing that? Because you're a hunter. I don't like it. I'm gonna hide in this wimpy book. I heard you. Ha ha ha, you didn't. Ha ha ha, I found you. Oh no, I don't wanna. Oh no, I'm getting held by the giant penguin. Oh no, I'm gonna throw the hunter here. There. Ha ha ha.